Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to bulk transfer data from Google Drive to OneDrive. In our increasingly digital world, managing data across different cloud storage services can become quite challenging. Many individuals, as well as businesses, find themselves needing to shift their data from one cloud service to another, such as transferring files from Google Drive to OneDrive. This can happen when you switch your preferred cloud service or when you want to streamline your data storage into one unified solution. In this video, we'll break down the steps to make this process as smooth and efficient as possible for you. Let's begin by opening Google Drive. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the settings icon. This icon looks like a small gear and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking it will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, go ahead and select this settings option. A new window will open, and you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Look for an option labeled Manage Apps and click on it. At this point, we want to extend Google Drive's capabilities by integrating more apps. You'll see an option that says Connect More Apps. Clicking on this will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type in Drive Files to OneDrive TM. Once the app appears in the search results, click on it. This extension is crucial for making our data transfer process smooth and hassle-free. The next step involves installing the app. You'll find an Install button on the app page. Click it, and a new window will pop up with a Continue button. Click Continue to move forward. At this juncture, you need to select the Google account you wish to use. After selecting your account, you might be asked to grant permissions for the app to access your Google Drive. Carefully review these permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow or Continue. Once the authorization process is complete, you might find yourself back on your Google Drive page. Look for the newly connected app, which is represented by a grid icon. Click on it to access Drive Files to OneDrive TM. We're now approaching the final stages of setting up your transfer. Navigate to the Select Files from Google Drive feature and click on it. You may be prompted to log in again and authorize further permissions, so make sure to do this when asked. Once you're logged in and all permissions are granted, you'll find yourself back at the File Selection window within Google Drive. Now it's time to choose the files you want to transfer. You have the option to select individual files or highlight them all for a comprehensive bulk transfer. Once you've made your selections, click Select. You'll then see an option to Save to OneDrive. Click on this, and your file transfer will begin. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently transfer your files from Google Drive to OneDrive in bulk, saving you time and ensuring your data is exactly where you need it. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to bulk transfer data from Google Drive to OneDrive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online so you never miss an update.